Eric, can I make repairs myself and deduct the cost from my rent if the landlord doesn't respond?
So if the landlord doesn't respond is the key caveat here. The answer is no, right? If the landlord does respond, you may be able to come to an agreement, which you should get in writing, saying that yes, if I make these repairs myself or if I pay for these repairs, I can deduct that from my rent. Always in writing, because if you don't have any proof, then it didn't happen. So that situation, sure. Again, like anything else, if you're having a problem, talk to your landlord first. The landlord may say, "Yeah, I don't want to deal with this. You do it, and you deduct it from your rent." Sometimes the landlords have, live in a different state or anything like that, and they don't want to call a repairman that they can't even supervise. So they'll say, "Yeah, do it, but don't do it without the permission." The uh, only remedy in Texas for that you could repair and deduct is so complicated that I have literally never seen anyone do it right. So uh, never deduct rent without permission from your landlord because it's a recipe for eviction.
And get that permission in writing.